everyone, today we are going to do an unboxing of a e-bike that was sent to me to try out to see how compact I liked it, see if it would work in my van. And so we're going to do an unboxing and a put together.
All right, everyone, just full disclosure. I got this bike. They reached out to me, asked me to try this out. I have not ever done an electric bike, so here we go. This is the Hitway Bk11m. And so I have never had an e-bike. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are interested in these e-bikes. They did offer my guest a discount on their website, so I will link that in the description. And full disclosure, if you use the link to their website, I will get a commission off any bike you purchase. But the discount code will give you guys a discount on the bike. So let's dig into this.
This box is huge, so just so you know, where do I start? It looks like most of it is already put together, and we got some zip ties. Let's do, these zip ties are massive zip ties. Look at how thick they are. All right, so trash, it goes. Now, I don't know where to zip tie and where not to, so pieces are flying, and that one just dropped. Ugh. All right. So we got these parts, a manual, I do speed up the video speed on this just to keep it a bit interesting. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's just do this. Let's move this stuff. Put that in the garbage. Here's what we're going to do. We are just going to cut this. Cut this side. There we go. There's the e-bike. All right, so let's get back to zip tying this thing. Oh, there's a nice bag. All right, we'll see what that's about. And I can't lift this whole bike up with the box attached. think, well, the tire is free. Now look at these big tires. That'll do really good in sand and dirt. So, yay. All right. Which, there's a place up north that I like to go that would be, oh, comes with a headlight. Awesome. Now, when this company reached out to me, I looked at all the videos that were online. Oh, the seat. Let's just open the seat. Well, it looks thick. I hope so. All right. Oh, more trash. All right. I think we could take the box away now. Let me clean up. Get rid of zip tie to zip tie. Glorious, glorious, glorious. All right. Okay, quick cleanup. Now, okay, so it still has some weight to it. So, and it's supposed to be foldable, which when I was gonna get this bike, I thought it was gonna come in a rectangle, in a square box, not this big long box. So I was a little surprised because I've seen other people do unboxings of different models, and it came in a rectangle or a square box. Oh yeah, handlebars. Oh, sorry for that. All right, for right now, we're just gonna put that in. It will slide back out. We gotta put the wheel on, and we have another zip tie here that just slides off. All right, here's where it folds. That'll make it a little bit more manageable for when I put it in the van, which I don't know where I'm gonna put this van. We shall see. Lots of parts here. So now we're gonna unbox these to see what everything is. And let's open up this box first. Let's see what more toys we can play with. Oh, I bet you this is a charger for this. The battery charger. So they sent me a battery charger and and then the air pump. All right. So I think, let's look at this battery. It says it's fully charged. So we have the seat that goes in here. And so here's the seat that you can adjust. All right. Okay, it's not the easiest tool, but it gets the job done, I guess. All right, so these are the stuff, the accessories. There's a bike lock, battery charger, the battery. This right here is a tire pump. This goes to the front strut, the seat, and the bag, and then the tool. That's actually a saddlebag, the front tire, and then the other things that you have to assemble. This screw is set in here, so you just untake the screw with the nut that's in here. Take that out, and this is just dangling, as you've seen. And then you attach it here with this fender well right there. And then these are already attached. You take this screw out, and then you put that in there, and then you put the screw back in there on both sides, front and back. These were just zip tied up here, so you just do that. So now we're going to get to the rest. This is where the battery was during shipping. And at the beginning of this video, I did say that this was a Bk11m. It is a Bk11m. The Bk12 just came out. This one is the one prior. So this is the one that I am trying out. And I did do some cleaning up. So as you notice, all the boxes are gone. So I'm going to show you, it came in shipping with this bolt. You basically, well, let's start up at the top first. Oop. Okay, maybe not. We'll stay down here. So this is just for shipping, or if you want to travel and take the front wheel off during travel, I recommend you keep this to keep the forks spread apart so they don't get bent. There is a little cap on here, and then this is what replaces that bolt for shipping. Now, when you pick this up, and the handlebars are in my way, but so you got to make sure that you slide that brake inside the brake. Get the handlebars out. All right. I don't have this one lined up. I don't know if I'm getting this in shot, but we're trying. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that's in line. So as you can see, this little piece right here needs to go in there. And then there is a braking disc. Here, there. So that's the braking disc. And that goes in, sits in there. So it can stop. All right, now set you back up. And then there are two springs. And you'll want the bigger part of this. There's two springs. You want the two springs to be on the out, the bigger part. So that's the bigger part. It needs to sit in here. And then you slide this in, and then you put the spring on, and then you tighten this down. Now it is a locking, as you can see. We'll probably actually, I think I want that to go down. They call this the front rise. Now if you look in there, this goes inside here like this. And then you line this up. Actually, let me set you back down because I was wrong. What you do is you put these handlebars in here. See, there's a thing there and then a thing here. And you put that, for right now, we're just going to do that. And then we're going to put this in here. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that the forks are straight and your handlebar is straight. And then you want to slide this over. And then you want to tighten up this nut with the included tools here. And you want to make sure that this is very, very tight, because you do not want the handlebars moving while you're driving down the road. And then you put this over, and then you pull this up, and you tighten this down, and there you go. Now, there's a little lever here for you to loosen this and move this to whichever position makes it more comfortable for you.
I don't have the tires all the way filled up because I'm not going to ride this yet. So make sure you subscribe for when it gets a little warmer. I'm going to get on this bike and ride this. But I got it all put together, and it says it's a 7-speed transmission. It weighs 62 pounds with the battery. It does fold up, and it can go 20 miles per hour. I'm looking forward to riding this. So make sure that you stick around for the video about that when it gets warmer and there's no snow. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this e-bike. I can't wait for it to warm up so I can get on it and try it.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this unboxing of this e-bike, and like I said, I will have a link in the description down below if you're looking into this entry bike. And if you liked this unboxing, go check out the unboxing of that solar camera. Let me know what you think of the camera. I do have codes for both. Safe travels.